Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you walk in. As you can see me just walking. Walk to a point and just lift up your leg and hit it to the ground. Okay, then after this now, you can use your hand to do as if you are telling something to calm down, imaginary, okay? Then after that, you can now just walk out, alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace, guys. Click it, go and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. At this point, we want to locate where we want the video to start from. Click on the video, make a split, delete this first part. We don't need it again. So at this point now, you expound it like I just did. So look at it now. Immediately I hit my leg. Mark anywhere. Overlay, add overlay. Groundbreaking effect. Look at it, click it and import it. Then click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back, okay? So at this point, we want to locate remove BG, guys. Go and look for remove BG, alright? Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it up. Mark on that good and go back. Click it again. Look for adjust now. Click on adjust. HSL. Click on it. HSL. Click on it. Mark green. Saturation. Reduce it to 100%. Okay. So at this point, we want to adjust the groundbreaking effect the way it's going to look. So you will mark it. You will click on it. Then you will adjust it. We want to align it how it's going to look. You expound it a bit. Take time to do this so that it will look okay. Look at what I am doing. So after that now, after doing it, we want to duplicate it, okay? So after you are done now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to duplicate it. We are going to click on it. We want to duplicate it and make it 3, all right? Look for duplicate now, okay? As you locate duplicate, click on duplicate again, then drag them back. Click on this one, drag it back, come back to the first one now, alright? We want to be adding overlay again. Click on overlay, import your monster now, alright? As you import your monster, you want to locate where you want to use in this monster because it's long. Look at this place where it's coming out. Immediately it come out, click on it and make a split, guys. Then you adjust a bit, you make another split, alright? You make another split, okay? Then you delete this last part, delete this first part as well. Then click on this center part and drag it, bring it to your video, align it to where you want it to be. The moment the ground opens, you allow the ground to open. Look at where you're going to put it. Click it now. Go and look for remove BG, alright? Look for remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it up. Mark on that good and go back. Still click it to look for adjust again. We want to remove the green completely. Click on adjust, guys. Click on adjust. HSL, green, saturation, reduce it to 100%, alright? Mark on the good and go back. So at this point, if you need any of these green screens, guys, DM me, I will send it to you, alright? My number is at the description of this video. Just go and DM me. Request for any of them, I will send it to you. If you need the two, I will send the two to you, alright? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Welcome to the tutorial. So click on the video, look for transform, click transform, then you click on rotate. We want to turn the monster, as you can see what I just did. Then after that, we want to duplicate this one as well now. So we locate duplicate, you duplicate it into 3 as well, duplicate it, then click them and shift them. Shift these 2 you just duplicated, shift them, then you come back to this very one now. All right, click on the monster layer. As you click on the monster layer, you adjust it. Look at it. After adjusting it now, so the next thing we want to be doing is to add keyframe to it. So you go and click on your keyframe, click on the video, click on keyframe now. All right, then you cropple the video, cropple it until you are not seeing it again. Then after that, you adjust the video a little and you start pulling it out again. Pull it out, pull it out. As you pull it out, you make it bigger, then you adjust it a bit to the point of the line. Make sure you do not pass the groundbreaking effect. All right, at the end now, then you want to trim the video, trim this one, trim it to align with this one. Then after that now, look at the result we have got, right? Then the next thing now is for us to go, those other ones we duplicated, you come and drag one of the groundbreaking, look at it here, drag it to align with this one. All right, after you trim it because this one is too short. We want it to play for some little seconds before it passes. After trimming it now, then you go and drag the monster, one of the monster again, drag it here. All right, after dragging it, trim this one as well. After trimming it, you drag it. That at this point, you want to make the monster align. You want to make it look like the first one. After you finish aligning it, then you come, you expound it like the first one. After expounding it, you take it to the point of the groundbreaking effect. After which, then the next thing we are going to be doing, let us see the result of this one. Let's see what we have done. Let's see what we have done so far. Okay, you can see what we have achieved with this. Then go and drag the last duplicate groundbreaking effect. Drag it. As you drag it now and align it with this one, you want to click it now and go and look for reverse. Click it, look for reverse, guys. Go and look for reverse. Search and look for reverse. We want to click on reverse. As you find reverse now, you click on reverse. All right, click on reverse now. Click on reverse. Then after you click on reverse, come and click on the monster and drag the monster. All right, bring the monster here. After you drag the monster at the point of this place now, you click it, then you drag it to the middle and expound it. Expound it to where the other ones is. After expounding it now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to add our keyframe. All right, after you finish expounding and adjusting it, you go and click on your keyframe. All right, look at what we are going to do here now. Click on your keyframe now. Click on keyframe. As you click on keyframe now, you start cropping it back. As you adjust your video a little, look at what I'm going to be doing. You adjust the video. As you adjust the video, start cropping it again. You want to take it back to where it comes from the beginning. Cropple it until you are not seeing it again. Cropple. After croppling it now, let us see what we have got so far. This is good. At this point, this video is almost ready. Let us play it from the beginning and see what we have achieved. Then we do the remaining things that is remaining. But the video is almost getting ready. Look at it. Look at the monster. After which now the monster will go back to where it comes from. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is, you can see you don't need this your waving hand again. Click it and make a split. All right, click it, make a split. Go and look for where you bring down your hand and you are about going out. All right, this point you click it again and make a split and delete that center part. Delete that center part. We don't need it again. Okay, look at it now. Play the video now and see. At this point, this video is ready. The only thing now is to cut out the unwanted part at the end part of the video. but every other thing is ready. Alright, he has fought back, he has closed back. So at this point now, okay, look at where we are working out. Immediately you walk out from the scene, click and make a split. Click and make a split. Delete that last part. We don't need it again. So at this point, this video is 100% ready. The only thing remaining now is for you to add your remaining effects, okay? Your other effects, your light effect, your shape effect, and every other effect. After which now, then you can now export this your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add your effects, okay? Then after adding your effects now, the only thing remaining in this video now is to export your video to your gallery. So you click on export and export your video to your gallery. Allow the video to export 100%. Now this video I've saved in your gallery. All right, so what is remaining is for you to share it in your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. And if you have enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, okay? Thanks for watching. Stay safe.